pretty little black skin girl. Oh, yeah. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Welcome, guys. So today I'll be rearranging this room. I'll be turning it into a bedroom. So yeah, let's see how it works. Let's see how long it takes and how best we can rearrange this room. So let me show you a full detail of how it looks. Alrighty guys, so this is the window. It has a window in it, but the edges needs some boarding. It also needs some paint, 2 doors, wall structure, good ventilation, a good lighting. Yeah, the lighting looks good, but you know, we are going to fix it up a little bit more. Yeah, everything looks good, but you know, it needs some work. So let's go recreate this room into my bedroom. So guys, on the window here you see those sponges stuffed into the side. Yeah, so them do the holes in a foreign. Alright, you see on the window you see some glue like substance on it, so I'm going to scrape down that. I am going to rub down the walls and get that section over there, get some board or whatever they put on it, and I'm going to take out all of those screws. But first, let me get something to eat and go and watch 911 What's Your Emergency. I did some driving practice, you know, because your girl is a hot girl, and why me I consider myself a hot girl and I cannot push a vehicle? That's crazy. So I started doing some driving lessons. I've been doing good so far, so I'll give you guys an update on each vlog on how my driving experience has been. Guys, it's very different than Jamaica because here, you know, here has less potholes, but the things that I have to learn and the rules that I have to follow, they're like so strict. Like whenever you come up on certain signs or certain linings on the road or something, you have to follow them, or else the fines are really strict and really expensive. Jamaica's fines are expensive, yes, but I don't think they're strict and observed as the ones in America. But yeah, it's really nice. I have been doing pretty well. So yeah, your girl will go on with herself. So now I'm back in the house and I'm trying to break off these floorboards. I don't know what they're called, but I'm gonna put them on back. But you know, we want the paintings to be exact and everything. Yeah, you can see that around the windows have gotten better. We have fixed it up. The board at that side, over that side, the right side, yeah, over there, some have been fixed. Now we have sanded the walls and we are soon ready to paint the room. Yeah, you see these things you see standing up, those are bed frames. We made those bed frames, so don't play with us and feel like so we are pian and all them something there.
No, who is this? Give us a word from Jamaica talking. No,
No, I need one mask. Is he things I forgot you? Them something are rough. The construction. My back feel wet. No, please, you want to see me touch a yard? My resume, I got big girl fret. With every type of work. Alright, so my friend had rented a U-Haul to get some stuffs for the room and for the house. And we're gonna use the U-Haul and go to the garbage dump
Yeah, right.
to, you know, get some stuff out. We're gonna throw away a fridge.
Bad driver.
So yeah. So guys, continue listening to some music while alrighty guys, so we just stopped off at the hardware after we went to the dump. We got a couple stuffs like paint, nails. I think would it get some lights too, but yeah, yep, let's go and watch.
I need the exercise.
Ooh. Neutral. That might not work. There's garlic, ginger, any onions.
I have onions, garlic.
You have all that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get her.
Oh yeah, down at the bottom there. Yes, so guys, so I head back home with the groceries and I did this lady's hair. It's looking so nice. So I just relaxed after and then decided to take a walk on the beach. Well, I wouldn't consider this a beach, but a walk in the park with one of my friends. It was so calming and nice. I'm so homesick, so to see the ocean and, you know, because Jamaica is so beautiful, the beaches and the water and everything. So just see the ocean and to see it up close and, you know, have a glimpse or something of something that reminds me of home. It was so nice. Yeah, they have seals in the waters and some, I don't remember the other animal or whatever, what's its name, but yeah, seals are in the water like birds. You know, birds will be in the sky. That's how seals are in the water. That's so weird, but I think it's something that I will get used to.
What was your water? The cold out. It was the cold out.
In Alaska, you just casually see a seal. So it doesn't drink credit. Not unlimited, no watching. Everything my car doesn't drink food. Let's make a food. Try calling. Yeah, brother. Life, bro.
Oh, we want to do some more business?
I said I could try delivery. it.
Oh, why? We
Where you
cancel it. I'm gonna
get-
get a taste of the chorada.
The enchilada.
So that's the chili.
Thank
Too
you.
spicy.
The one that will come with a burrito will be
Well, not me
it's
tasting.
water. It has potatoes and meat in it.
That's nice. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like this. What? No. I need to come back to my Ross country. What, this one? No, sir, this is what different.
You fucking evil, your blood clot.
So guys, I'm back from the walk on the seaside. The food wasn't good. The Mexican food wasn't good. I didn't like it. I usually love burritos, but I don't know, something about that didn't taste really good. But the room is coming together. It's really looking good. I'm gonna give it about a week or maybe a week and a half before everything will come together perfectly. Also, I want to show you guys around, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step. So this is part 1, so part 2 is coming. Maybe I'll have a part 3, but let's see how that goes, right? Yeah, everything is going so far. I'm so homesick, but I think I'll be coming home really soon. So I think you guys should stay tuned to that, because you know me, I go outside like white line, and you guys, I know you guys enjoy my vlogs when I'm outside. So guys, just comment down below and tell me some nice things that are going on in Jamaica, so I can be jealous of you guys. There's a lot of beautiful things and nice recreational activities to do here in Alaska, but number one is sometimes it's very expensive. Some other things that are not really expensive are like hiking and those stuff, but there are bears, moose, and all type of dangerous animals around, and I don't want to encounter any of them whatsoever, even though I have bear spray, but I don't want to encounter any of them because I'll totally freak out. Other things like whale watching, helicopter tour, those are really expensive, like over $200 for a couple of hours. And I've done basically all the free stuff so far, but I'm yet to see a bear. That is one of the things that I really want to see. But anyways, without further ado, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when the girl dipped in chocolate uploads another video. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week.